In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix line spacing on Microsoft Word. If your document looks a little too cramped or a bit too airy, adjusting the line spacing is a quick way to make it clearer and more professional. Line spacing controls the vertical space between lines of text within a paragraph, and getting it right can dramatically improve readability. Start by selecting the text you want to change. If you want to adjust the entire document at once, press Ctrl+A to highlight everything. If you only want to change a specific section, click and drag to highlight just that portion. It's important to select first because Word will only apply the new spacing to whatever is highlighted. Next, head to the Home tab. This is the main tab in the ribbon at the top of Word, and it holds the core formatting tools. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the Paragraph section. In that section, you'll see the line and paragraph spacing icon. It looks like a few horizontal lines with up and down arrows to the left. That's the button you want. Click that icon to open the spacing menu. From here, choose either 1.0 for single spacing or 1.15, which is Word's default spacing. Single spacing, 1.0, packs lines tightly and is often used for compact documents or when you're trying to fit more text on a page. The 1.15 option adds just a touch more room between lines, which can make longer documents easier to read while still looking clean and modern. As soon as you pick one, Word will apply that spacing to your selected text. Take a quick look through your document after you make the change to ensure everything is consistent. If you used Ctrl+A before making the adjustment, the new spacing should be uniform across your entire document. If you only highlighted certain sections, verify that those parts now match the rest of your formatting. A quick note for clarity. Line spacing affects the space between lines within a paragraph. If you still see extra gaps between paragraphs after changing line spacing, that's a different setting called paragraph spacing. For this video, we're focusing just on line spacing. And that's it. Highlight your text, go to the Home tab, click the line and paragraph spacing icon, and choose either 1.0 or 1.15. With those few clicks, your document will look cleaner, more readable, and more professional.